My name is Wally.
And Assalamualaikum everyone.
Today we're gonna be learning about mosquitoes.
And also we are going to be learning what is a mosquito in Islam. But first, we are going to be learning about the parts of the mosquito. So we're going to start with the abdomen, the legs, the thorax, the antenna, then the compound eye, the wings, and last but not least, it's the proboscis or needle. Now I'll show you how a bite works from a mosquito. Mosquito uses 6 needles to suck your blood. First of all, it removes its protective layer to expose the needle. Then, they use the sharp needles to cut through your skin because it's hard. Then, they use 2 other needles to open your skin, and your 1 other needle sucks blood from your veins. And 1 spits chemicals to numb the pain and to help your blood flow. Hospital needles and mosquito needles look the same in a microscope. You might think this is a mountain or a volcano, but it is human clay from a hospital injection needle or a mosquito needle. Now I'll show you how mosquitoes are born. They are first laid by female mosquitoes in the water. After that, 24 to 48 hours they turn into a larva. Then they turn into a pupa to a fully grown mosquito, and they will be able to fly instantly. Quran 2 verse 26. Allah does not shy away from making an example of a mosquito and what is above it. As for those who believe, they know that it is the truth from their Lord. But as for those who disbelieve, they say, what did Allah intend by this example? He leads astray many thereby, and He guides many thereby, but He misleads thereby only the evildoers. Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Thanks for watching our new video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment on what suggestion projects would you like us to do more, and turn on the notification bell to get notified with all the new videos. And thank you so much for watching. See you. Bye bye.